July 1st, and this is Stonybrook Road, 25B is videoing it. First time ever we see the flood of the storm waters so much that the sewer is not even taking the water. It's coming on the grass and everything. Oh my god. Come on, babe. I'm trying to video you. Look at this. Wow. Flood. The sewer is actually supposed to, it's backing up. Storm is too much and the sewer has backed up. Wow. Look at that. The whole street is flooded.
Those are the cans coming up out of those window doors.
Oh shit, I didn't realize. The cans that are in the that you put your garbage in that are covered with the lid actually came up from the pressure of the water. That's the can. Look at that. They came up, look. Oh wow. Flood waters. Woo. Wow. Alright, well, look at this. Everything is floating in the... What the heck is that?
Those are their toys.
Oh! The neighbor's decos are flooding! That's her stuff. That's Carol's stuff. Uh-oh. The decorations are flooding. Holy crap. Okay. Time to come in. July 1st, 2021. Live video. The rain. And it flooded and it's going on the grass. It brought the garbage cans that are enclosed in the ground. They came up with the pressure. And sanitation, whoever takes care of the sewers has to come and take care of that. Okay. We're safe. We're in the house. So, I mean, we're doing a video right now, but I'm going back in.